How to fix QuickBooks Unrecoverable Errors. 5 quick solutions. Solution 1. Use a different QuickBooks user. Step 1. Navigate to Company and select Setup Users and Passwords. Step 2. Then select Setup Users. Step 3. For Enterprise users, go to Company menu, select Users, and then click on Setup Users and Roles. Step 4. Now, select Add User. Step 5. Type in the username and password and select Next. Note, do not use the damaged username. Step 6. Customize the user as necessary and click on OK. Step 7. Now, go to Files and select Close Company/Log Off. Step 8. Log into the company file using the new login credentials. Solution 2. Create a new Windows admin, Windows 10 and newer. Step 1. Click on Start and then select Settings. Step 2. Next, select Account and choose Family and Other Users. Step 3. Under Other Users, choose Add Someone Else to this PC. Step 4. Select I don't have this person's sign-in information. Step 5. Then choose Add a user without a Microsoft account. Step 6. Now, enter the name of the new account and select Finish. Recommended, assign a password to the new account to ensure security. Step 7. Select the newly created account and choose Administrator as the account type. Step 8. Then click on OK. Solution 3. Move the file to a different folder. Step 1. Right-click on anywhere on your desktop and select New. Step 2. Then select Folder and name it as Test. Step 3. Now, open the folder where the company file is saved. Step 4. Right-click on the file and select Copy. Step 5. Paste the company file in the test folder you created. Step 6. Open the company file from the test folder and see if the error occurs. Step 7. If you don't get the error when you open the company file from a different location, the folder may be damaged. Step 8. If you see the same error after moving the file to a different location, continue with the following solution. Solution 4. Run Quick Fix My Program from QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1. First, download the latest version of QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 2. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen steps to install and agree to the terms and conditions. Step 3. When the installation is complete, run the program on your device. Step 4. In the tool, select Program Problems. Step 5. Now, click on Quick Fix My File. Step 6. Start QuickBooks Desktop and then open the file. Solution 5. Update the QuickBooks. Step 1. Open the QuickBooks application. Step 2. Click on Help and select Update QuickBooks. Step 3. When the Update QuickBooks screen pops up, click on Update Now. Step 4. Once the update is completed, close the QuickBooks. Step 5. See if the unrecoverable error is resolved. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 or +44 800 0548 150.